Alright, welcome back everyone to lecture 7 of matrices. Now, before I start with this lecture, I would like to revise some basics of trigonometry. So, everybody knows that there are 6 ratios, correct? I hope you remember the rhythm that you've learned in with me, correct? Tell me, the 6 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Once again, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Correct? Now let's recall the table also, which has the same ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. These ratios, and if you recall in the table we had angles, everybody, 0 se lekar 90. Then we have 30, 45, 60 and 90. Correct? Sine wala row we have to learn. Remember that? I hope everybody can make this table on their own now, but still, just let's revise. We start from what? 0 se lekar 1. Half 1 upon root 2 root 3 upon 2. Correct? 0 se lekar 1 बीच में क्या आता है? Half. The same as it is, सिर्फ root and then root 3 upon 2. Now I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to make these entries. It is automated. We need not learn them, right? Now, these things will be helpful to us in this lecture. Let's start with the first question. Check out this question number 30 from your textbook. It says here is one matrix, here is second matrix. We need to multiply them. Multiply. So, multiplication rules, I hope you recall. I would like you to recall first. Let's not start like this. 3 rules. First one tells you what? Whether multiplication is possible or not. कैसे पता चलता है? We check the order. First matrix का number of columns should match with second matrix का number of rows. चलो. Second rule tells you what? Correct. Resulting matrix का order कैसे बनता है? First का first number, second का second number. By number, do I mean this element? No. For example, if I write the order, first matrix का first number यानी this number, second matrix का second number यानी this number, this becomes the order of resulting matrix. And third rule, how to multiply. Always row with column. Correct? Now, in this question, I can do all those things. I can start row with column directly because I can check if the multiplication is possible. But before that, let's make it easy. Cos 60 ka value, can I get it from this table? Cos 60 ka value? Yes. So I'll put this value, this, all of these values. Similarly, all of these values. Then I would like to start the multiplication. Can I say it becomes easy then? Because then the multiplication will be of values, numbers. Got it? Alright. Now, in this entire lecture, I'm not going to solve, but we are going to discuss. Once that is done, you got to solve on your own. Okay? Chalo. Let's see the next question. Here is actually the next question. Question 21 from your textbook. A matrix is given, जिसमें 2 elements are small a and b. उनका values पूछा है. One condition is given which says so that a square equals to I. Not show, it is so that a square equals to I. Okay, now let's begin. First thing, when a square is equal to I, a square, last lecture में discuss किया था. Does that mean हर एक element का square? No. It is take A matrix. Besides that, take A matrix again. and then start with the multiplication, row with column, row with column. That result what you get is a square, correct? Now, he says a square is equal to I. So look, I've done it here. This is a into a. Result is this. Check it out. Row with column. So 2 into 2, 4 plus minus 3a. So 4 minus 3a. Here it is. And so on. So when I solve this, I get a square ka value as this. He says a square is equal to I. So this value is equal to I. This means now this equals to this corresponding. So 4 minus 3a equals to 1. 4 minus 3a equals to 1. This equal to this and so on. I get this. Barabar hai? I hope no doubts till now. Now take any of the equation from this 1, 2, 3, 4 and solve. Can I say this is a normal maths equation or algebraic equation? 4 minus 3a अगर equals to 1 है तो 3a का value कितना? 3 and a का value कितना? 1. चलो, let's take any other equation. For example, this. Can I put a का value here now? A का value is how much? 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1 into b equals to 0. So I get b का answer as minus 2. Done with the answer. Just in case you thought sir नहीं मेरे को ये equation लेना है and ये equation लेना है, still you'll get the same answer. So important thing to be noted, a square equals to I given condition उठाया, because equal दिया है तो equate किया, this equals to this and so on. Normal solve किया, I get the answer of a and b. I hope it's simple. Next question is this one, question 22. Now it says a matrix का value is this, b matrix का value is this, and condition is given as a square equals to b. Find x. Where is x? Here it is. So इस x का value find करना है, इस x का value find करना है, correct? And condition is a square equals to b. Can I say this is similar to the previous question? पहले I'll square a matrix. I'll say that answer is equal to b, yani that answer is equal to this matrix. So two matrices are equal. So I'll equate them. So when I equate them, तो x का answer आएगा ना? You gotta try. Next question. (23rd). It says find matrix A such that A, this is dot, that means into, A into so and so equals to so and so. Now this I'll have to explain. Let's see it together. A into so and so equals to so and so. अब you might think, sir, अगर A का आंसर चाहिए, what we can do? We can send this matrix that side. So divide हो जाएगा and I'll get the answer. But my dear, there is no such thing as division of matrices. It's not possible. Getting it? You cannot divide two matrices at all. Not possible. Then how do we find this answer? Let's see it together. Whenever you find that there is a need of division, so division is not possible, in such cases, what to do is assume your A matrix as A, B, C, D. So this becomes my A matrix into 2, 3, 4, 5 given matrix equals to 0, -4, 10, 3. Whenever division का need you see, you don't divide, but you assume that matrix as ABCD. Okay? But confirm that the order that you've taken is correct or not. This matrix has order 2 cross 2, this has order 2 cross 2. So this will have order 2 cross 2 or anything else. Let's check. Now, very keen attention I would like. Firstly, we can see that as per the question, दो मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल होके कुछ तो रिजल्ट आया है. That means as per rule 1 of matrix multiplication, मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल है. अच्छा, अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल है इसका मतलब क्या हुआ होगा कि फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स, सो नंबर ऑफ रोज इनटू नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स, फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स should have been equal to second matrix का number of rows. second matrix का number of rows कौन सा है 2 and इसका number of columns कौन सा है ये. तो this must have been equal to this. तो अगर ये 2 है this had to be 2. हम लोग चेक कर रहे हैं कि हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर बराबर लिया है कि नहीं. हो सकता है ऐसा हो ABCD, हो सकता है मैट्रिक्स ऐसा हो सकता है ऐसा हो. So we are checking which order is correct. अच्छा, so ये नंबर पता चला, it is 2. Now, let's talk about this number. As per second rule of matrices, resulting matrix का order कैसे बनता है? फर्स्ट का फर्स्ट रिजल्टिंग मैट्रिक्स यहां पे ये है, इक्वल्स टू ये आया है, यानी ये रिजल्टिंग मैट्रिक्स है. तो इसका ये ऑर्डर कैसा बना है पता है? ये नंबर आया कहां से? फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का फर्स्ट नंबर. तो ये 2 यहां से आया है, यानी दिस ऑल्सो हैज टू बी 2. चाहिए तो चेक कर लो आगे. एंड सेकेंड नंबर कहां से आता है? सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स का सेकेंड नंबर. सो सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स का सेकेंड नंबर ये और ये सेम है, हाँ है, यानी एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग करेक्ट. सो इन अदर वर्ड्स मेरा मैट्रिक्स जो ए मैट्रिक्स है उसका ऑर्डर 2 क्रॉस 2 ही होने वाला था. नॉट दिस बट दिस. दिस इज स्टेप 1 that we assumed matrix A. I would like you people to revise this much. Pause the video, go back, understand this once again. It's very important. Then come back. I will proceed. So I got this. Further, मुझे क्वेश्चन में पूछा था I have to find a matrix A, यानी इसका आंसर चाहिए, यानी कि ये एलिमेंट ये एलिमेंट ये एलिमेंट ये एलिमेंट का वैल्यू चाहिए, राइट? So let's see what do we do for that. Now observe. This is like multiplication. So let's start multiplication. This row into this column. So 2A plus 4B. Again, this row into this column. 3A plus 5B. This row into this column. 2C plus 4D and 3C plus 5D equals to 0, minus 4, 10, 3. Now, can I say again, this equals to this because it is given they are equal. So corresponding elements become equal. So I'll get 2A plus 4B equals to 0. Second, I'll see this equation, that is 3A plus 5B equals to minus 4. Third equation, I will get 2C plus 4D equals to 10. And last one, 3C plus 5D equals to 3. Now look, can I say this is simultaneous solving? So I'll solve them simultaneously. I'll get the answer of A and B here. Similarly here I'll solve them simultaneously. I'll get the answer of C and D. Once I got that, that is not the final answer. I have to substitute them here. तब जाके I'll get A, B, C, D का answer. That means matrix A का final answer. Alright? Okay. Time to go for the next question. This was question number 23rd from your textbook. Let's jump to question 26. It says something or some matrix into M, capital M. That means again it will be a matrix. So one matrix into capital M matrix equals to 6i. Now what do you mean by 6i? We've learned this. I matrix 1001, उसके साथ 6 multiply, so that becomes 6006. So this is given as a condition where M is a matrix and I is unit matrix. Yes, we know that, of order 2. Yes, I will be, he is giving जो matrix होगा 1001, उसका order कितना है? 2. That means it is 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay? अच्छा, क्या find करना है? I have to find the order of matrix M. Okay. Now, to find this order, it is almost or actually completely similar to the sum that we just learned का उसका part. हम लोग ने ABCD का order कैसे derive किया था? Matrix multiplication के rules से. Same thing is going to happen here. कि अगर दो matrix का multiplication possible हुआ है, because this is equal to 6i, so that means multiplication possible होके आंसर आया है 6006. तो अगर ऐसा possible हुआ है तो मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? इसका ऑर्डर. ओके, नाउ I would leave that to you because we learned similar thing in the previous question. Talking about the next one. It says also find the matrix M, again similar to the previous one. I'll assume it as ABCD. Order आप लोग देख लेना. I'll assume them as ABCD, ABCD or ABCD, whatever. That depends कि आप लोग ने order क्या find किया. So that I will write here and multiply these two matrices equals to 6006. I'll get equations, solve them, and I get the answer of matrix M. Okay? Question 28. It says A matrix is so and so, B is so and so. Let's write the order here. It is 2 cross 2, but this is not 2 cross 2. This is what? We have 2 rows, but 1 column. So 2 cross 1. Now, A is this, B is this. Find matrix C such that condition is AC equals to B. Again, it is similar to previous two questions. I would like to leave this up to you, but one small discussion again. I have written my question here. Here is 28. A is given, B is given. Condition is AC equals to B. Now, as per this condition AC equals to B, I have written A matrix here equals to B here. I need to write C matrix here. Now, I can't directly assume कि हाँ वो 2 by 2 ही होगा. So, let's see कि उसका order क्या होगा. A का order is what? 2 cross 2. And B का order is what? 2 cross 1. Right है? अब बात करते हैं C के order की. We don't know, but we'll apply multiplication rules. पहला rule says multiplication possible हुआ है, इसका मतलब first matrix का number of columns यानी कि this number will be equal to second matrix का number of rows. So second matrix का order लिख रहे हैं हम लोग something cross something. इसका number of rows यानी this, so 2, because this has to be equal to this as per the multiplication rules. Second rule says resulting matrix जो बना है आपका वो कहां से बना होगा, उसका जो ऑर्डर है कैसे बना होगा, उसका ऑर्डर comes from this number comes from फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का फर्स्ट नंबर ये 2, तो यहां पे 2. सेकेंड नंबर कहां से आता है? सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स का सेकेंड नंबर. सो सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स जो बनने वाला है दैट इज सी, उसका सेकेंड नंबर यानी कि ये नंबर. दिस नंबर इज कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर, सो दिस इज 1. सो इट इज 2 क्रॉस 1 मैट्रिक्स जो सी बनेगा. सो मैं उसको सिंपली ऐसा नहीं ले सकता ए बी सी डी, नो, इट इज 2 क्रॉस 1 यानी कि 2 रोज एंड एक कॉलम, यानी 2 into 1, टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स विल बी 2 एंड 2 रोज बनेंगे यानी 1 2, यानी एलिमेंट्स दैट विल बी देयर इट इज A and B. This much becomes my matrix C. Now I will start multiplication. 2 into A plus minus 1 into B. फिर दूसरा एलिमेंट बनेगा -3 into A plus 4 into B. ये बना रिजल्टिंग मैट्रिक्स which is given equal to 8 and 17. वापस दो इक्वेशंस मिलेंगे, solve them, get the answer of A and B. I hope it's clear. I would suggest pause the video here. Question number 28 तक हम लोगों ने जो भी आज कवर किए, first do it and see. Okay? All right. Time for the last question of the lecture. 29th का first. So A matrix is given, B matrix is given, and condition given is this: A square minus 5B square equals to 5C. मुझे क्या करना है? Find matrix C, where C is a 2 cross 2 matrix. अब इसने हम लोग का काम आसान कर दिया. He has already given the order, तो हम लोग को सोचने का झंझट नहीं है. Now, what I'll do in this case is start with this condition. पहले I'll take A, उसका स्क्वायर निकालेंगे यानी A into A. फिर क्योंकि B स्क्वायर का नीड है तो B स्क्वायर निकाल के रखूंगा मैं, that is B into B. वो दोनों जो मैट्रिक्स मिलेंगे I'll put in this equation, LHS का equation. This is my LHS, this is my RHS. तो LHS में I'll first find A का स्क्वायर, substitute here. B का स्क्वायर, substitute here. That means it becomes A square matrix minus 5 into B square का matrix equals to 5 into 2 cross 2. He has given C का value, so 2 cross 2. So I'll call it as A, B, C, D. 4 values. Right? Now, मुझे इसका आंसर चाहिए. Am I right? Now, this is easier. For example, step 1, after getting this much, what I'll say is -5 into this, तो B स्क्वायर के साथ -5 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा तो कुछ तो रिजल्ट आएगा. फिर उस रिजल्ट को मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा फ्रॉम दिस मैट्रिक्स, तो रिजल्टिंग एक वापस सिंगल मैट्रिक्स बनेगा. दैट सिंगल मैट्रिक्स इज गिवन इक्वल टू 5 into ABCD. So 5 into ABCD again becomes 5A, 5B, 5C, 5D. यानी one single matrix this side equals to one single matrix this side. Equation, get the answer. Okay? Now, I would stop my lecture here. Next lecture will be the last lecture of matrices. And we might start with the next chapter. Alright? See you soon, everyone. Thank you so much.